So depress our plunger first, rotate our sight up. Now if yours doesn't have this sight, again you're going to depress the plunger and rotate it just like we're doing here, you just won't have this piece. Rotate it to the right. Again, then this one comes like so, up to here. Then if you were going to launch your grenades, snaps back like so, and this snaps into place. But since we're just trying to take it apart, once we're to here, we continue to turn it counterclockwise, and you will note that our plunger bumps into our barrel. So we're going to depress our plunger as we continue to rotate the gas plug assembly, and once it's in that position, it wants to move forward and out of the gun because it's spring loaded by our piston. Okay, so let's stop here. Let's take a look at our gas plug assembly. Now that the hammer spring's out, let's go ahead and take the rest of the guts out of this receiver. The safety, before we get to the safety, you want to cock the hammer, pull it back to there, pull it forward, pull the trigger forward with your thumb, rotate the safety to the safe position, then further up, and it'll lift straight out. Now be aware here on the back side is a plunger, and there's the pin that holds it in place. So let's knock that out. There's the pin. Now, I'm going to hold my finger over that while I withdraw my punch. Again, so I don't launch my safety detent plunger and spring. You can see that that pin fits right there. Set that aside. Now, first things first, let's put our spring, our extractor spring, inside our extractor plunger. Slide it into position. And our extractor is going to fit here. Now I'm right-handed, so it's going to be easier for me to turn this around and do some prying and pushing with my right hand to compress that extractor spring. Now I'm not complaining because strong extractor springs are great, and that one's good. You can see that our extractor is spring loaded. Ready to put our firing pin in. Pretty self-explanatory. It slides in. Make sure that our retaining groove is towards the top. Our retaining pin has a bit of a head on it here. Slide it all the way in. Our firing pin can protrude. All is well and good. Let's put these couple loose things back together